authentic Indonesian Sate Ayam recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Indonesia. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the diverse flavors of cuisines from around the world. Today, we're heading to the vibrant streets of Indonesia to discover the secrets of a beloved dish, Sate Ayam. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the mouth-watering flavors of Indonesia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Let's dive into the rich tapestry of Indonesian cuisine. Quote, scene. Host in a well-lit kitchen, surrounded by fresh ingredients. Host. To create this delicious Sate Ayam, here's what you'll need. Ingredients. 500 grams boneless chicken thighs, cut into cubes. Bamboo skewers, soaked in water. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 shallot, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. Ketchup mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. Optional for heat. Salt and pepper to taste. Peanut sauce for serving. Sliced cucumbers and onions for garnish. Now, let's fire up the grill and dive into the flavors of Indonesia. Quote, Step 1. In a bowl, combine the minced garlic, minced shallot, soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, vegetable oil, ground coriander, ground turmeric, ground cumin, chili powder, if using, salt, and pepper. Mix well to create a flavorful marinade. Step 2. Place the chicken cubes in the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Step 3. Thread the marinated chicken cubes onto the soaked bamboo skewers. This not only adds flavor but also makes them easier to grill. Step 4. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Grill the chicken skewers for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are cooked through and have a nice char. And there you have it. Our delicious Indonesian Sate Ayam is ready to transport you to the lively streets of Indonesia. Serve the skewers with peanut sauce, sliced cucumbers, and onions for an authentic Indonesian experience. If you enjoyed this culinary journey to Indonesia, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes. And don't forget to hit that like button to let us know you enjoyed this video. Your support means the world to us as we continue to bring you the flavors of different cultures. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, selamat makan and happy cooking. Subscribe and like the video for more tasty adventures. Quote,